Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Robinhood for options trading. First, ensure you have an active Robinhood brokerage account. Options trading is not automatically enabled. You must apply and be approved. This process involves meeting specific eligibility requirements, including financial experience and understanding the risks involved. Make sure your account is fully funded to avoid delays in the application process. To apply, open your Robinhood app and go to the Investing section. Look for the Options Trading feature and tap on it to begin the application. You will be asked a series of questions about your investment experience, financial situation, and risk tolerance. Answer these questions accurately and honestly, as they are crucial for determining your eligibility and approval level. Robinhood assigns different options trading approval levels based on your application. These levels dictate which types of options strategies you are permitted to execute. For example, a basic level might allow buying calls and puts, while higher levels enable more complex strategies like spreads. Your financial background and investment knowledge play a significant role in the level you receive. After receiving approval, you are ready to explore options contracts. It is essential to thoroughly research the underlying assets and understand the potential risks and rewards of various strategies. When you find an option you wish to trade, review all the contract details, including the strike price, expiration date, and premium. Finally, submit your order to place your first options trade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.